All right, time for a room tour for the Viva Azteca by Wyndham here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. So this particular room is 3214. So you'll see, of course, the door. I'll just show you some closet space. So you have an ironing board. Over here, more closet space. Lots of room to hang your stuff. There's a laundry bin if you require such services. Over here we've got a coffee maker, got our safe, got our fridge. Not much in the fridge, and apparently they do not restock it, but right now there's a few cans of pop in there, so that's what you receive upon arrival. Here we've got our bathroom, so the sink is a standalone. We have in here the toilet, the shower, looks like a good walk-in shower with shampoo and shower gel. Nice little spot to put your own toiletries. In the room itself, got a couple of chairs, nice TV here. This room has 2 queen-size beds. And over here, not much of a view in this particular room. It looks like it's quiet, so I probably our neighbor resort here, but there's nothing there. But the balcony is kind of small, but it's good enough for a couple people to sit out in. And then just from this perspective, you can see the room. So this is a double room. It says garden view, but it's sort of just a tree view. But it is a nice room here for the price we pay in Playa del Carmen, Mexico.